Thutha wa Igoti kugerera mucirithania Onesmus Makau kurugamia riathani ria President Kenyatta ria kuyeheria kwa maabitha utari na uguri wa indo thirikari-ini niguo makorwo magithurimwo na makiria utonga wao kiumbe na kana ni makoretwo makirumirira mitaratara. Riu mucirithania uyu ni ugukitwo itua riake kuri athanite mihang'o ino ithie na mbere.
Consideration of all the matters analyzed herein above, I'm inclined to allow the notice of motion dated 8th June 2018 by recalling the ex parte order granted on 6th June 2018.
Akirekereria itua riri mucirithania Onesmus Makau ni ugite riu hatiri undu o tiga maabitha aya mathie rutha rwa kiahinya na ho makorwo makineana maratathi maria mabatie ihinda-ini ria thikũ 10.
The employer has every right to ask employees to stay away while the employer verifies some matters about the conduct and performance of duty by the concerned employee. However, the employees must expressly be notified of the reason why he is required to stay away and for how long.
We are going as a government now to proceed with this process as authorized by the court, and I want to assure public officers and the public at large that this process is going to be conducted in strict compliance with the constitution and the law.
Shira wa kuregana na kurutithio wira kwa watho uyu watwaritwo ni muruiriri wa ihoto ciao mundu Okiya Omtatah akiuga maabitha aya no mathurimo mari wabici-ini na mucirithania Makau ni ugite ndaheanire itumi njiganu.
All heads of procurement and accounts in government ministries, departments, agencies and parastatals will undergo fresh vetting, including polygraph testing, to determine their integrity and suitability.
President arutire mwerekera uyu thutha wa bururi kuhofanirio ni ngukumio makiria kura kwa bilioni 9 cia NYS kuria ugire o mundu egukua mutharaba wake. Giribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.